my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Sonam Vaghani and I welcome you to my channel. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Mumbai and I mostly do bridals and celebrity makeup, and I make YouTube tutorials just for fun. So today's look is going to be interesting. It is interesting for me because this is something that I generally don't do. For people who know me, I mostly play around with neutral colors, but today I'm going to play around with some colors and hopefully it'll come out nice. I don't know why am I breathless. Anyways, also today's hairstyle is called I Tried because I've just been kind of dealing with my hair and it just won't listen, so this is what I have today. Anyways, I just hope it doesn't peek through. So let's get to it. Firstly, I'm gonna prep my skin, for which I will be using MAC's Fix Pus. We'll let it soak into the skin. Now my makeup base, I use MAC Studio Moisture Cream. It goes on my skin. I slap a lot of it. I massage it into the skin. Yes, I am using the Forest Essentials Lip Balm. I will be posting the product list in the description box. You can check it out. I will be setting my brows. This is the Clear Brow Gel by MAC. I'm using the Color Corrector palette by MAC. This is the Medium Deep palette. Ouch, nicely done, Sonam. I mix a few colors from the palette and try and cancel out the darkness on my skin. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the camera closer to me so that everything is visible in a better way. Hopefully this is better, you will be able to see my makeup clearer. Yeah, so we were kind of color correcting. So what I generally do is I cover my lips as well because I have pigmented lips and it's just easier to apply colors for me when I cover them. So I will be using MAC's Face and Body Foundation. This is in the shade C5. So this is supposed to be water resistant, come waterproof. You need to work with this slightly quickly because it dries quickly. The work time with this isn't much, but I like how the skin still looks like skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I quite like the whole feel of this foundation on my skin. See how the skin looks really like skin and dewy, which I really like about this foundation. This is not a matte finish foundation. Next, we're gonna powder our face. I think I'm gonna use a Church brush. I am using Fenty Beauties Cashew powder, the Pro Filter. This is free stuff. The joy I get when I use free stuff. Free good stuff, that is. Taking it on my brush and setting down my foundation. Whoa. You can use, I mean obviously use a bigger brush, but because this is like a very small dubby, chotu dubby, I prefer to use my small face powder, small powder brush. Now I think we'll get to the eyes. I will be using purple eyeshadow today, it felt like, so I have these three eyeshadows from MAC. I will let you know the shades, it will be in the description box. So I am using this shade Haze. I will use it as a base color, and on the other side I'm using a blending brush. Now this is not the blending brush that I like, I can't find the other one, so we will go with this. Now I will mix it with Parfait Amore. I don't want to do like a strong purple eye, just a hint of color. Again, taking this pencil brush and going under. I don't want my eye. Turn L darker purple and slightly in the outer corners. I like how the whole thing is coming together. Using a clean blending brush and just softening the edges, because that's what we do. Make sure we're there but we're not there. We put in the effort to look effortless. I'll be taking this pink color, Cheap Flower, and I will be taking the same blending brush and dipping it into the eyeshadow and just making this a transition color, because we will be doing pink lips and pink cheeks, so a hint of pink on the eyes would look nice. Now for the highlighter, I will be using a flat shading brush, and I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Chanel in the shade 202, and I'm taking this light pink color over here, going under the brow bone. Okay, and I'm taking the same color and going into the inner corners as well, just to brighten them up a little. I might use this darker shade as well from this palette, and I'll just go into the corners and create some more depth. Just into the corners, not even like taking too much product, just right here. Now taking the pencil brush, same dark color, yes. So I am using the gel liner. This is the gel liner by Bobbi Brown in the shade Violent Ink 4. Not making like a precise eyeliner, and we will blend it. Just to create some darkness around the lash line. Going under. I won't be using a kajal, I will be using this skin colored shade from Shiseido. Going into the waterline. Okay, before that I will be curling my lashes before I put mascara. Curl it, girl. I'm using another free mascara that I got, Urban Decay Troublemaker. Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate with highlighter or concealer, whatever you want to call it. Taking the Urban Decay medium dark warm shade all-nighter waterproof full coverage concealer. We'll set this with some powder, NC35 Select Sheer Press Powder. I will be using the Dior highlighter, liquid highlighter. I know I've applied powder, but we will work with it. Okay, shake it well before you use it. Place it where I want to. I really like this highlighter actually. It's really nice. It smells so nice. Oh wow. Smells like a dream. Now we will do the blush. I'm going to use the Lisa Eldridge lipstick for blush and maybe for my lips as well. This is Love of My Life. I'm going to just use my fingers, concentrating on the apples of my cheeks. So for the lip pencil, I'm using Bobbi Brown's True Pink. Using the same lipstick. So this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and video. I had a great time creating this look because this is something that I generally don't do, and I generally don't wear false lashes, so I'm kind of feeling the look today. So my hair was difficult with me, but I think the whole look came together and we're good. I'm like totally feeling this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm on Instagram by the name sonamvaghanimua. I am on Twitter as well and on Facebook. I post the links of all the social media that I'm on down below. You can check them out and follow me for more updates. I would really appreciate your feedback and your suggestions. And if there is a makeup look that you would like to see, I would be more than happy to create a look and bring it for you guys. I will see you guys next week with another tutorial. Till then, bye from me and my ponytail. Take care. I'm gonna prep my skin with. I will be using the. Shut up. Yeah. I'm using a clean blush. Taking this pink. I will mix it. Doing a liner. Okay. I'm going under. Oh wait. Ouch. I just pinched my skin. What the hell? Come closer, baby. Ah! What's the lips? Nah. Okay. Focusing. Yes. Okay.